Okay, so today we heard about this random thing, the salt and ice challenge. So me and my brother did it, and so did my girlfriend, and she videotaped it and put it on Facebook. And so we decided to watch it, and we caught a couple parts in it that sounded kind of dirty, so we audio taped it.
Hand or arm rest? Your opinion. We'll do it to my hand now. Yeah. I can't. Oh my god. It's so cold. It's so cold.
Oh, shit. That was random. I know.
Time to burn now. Oh, wait, right here.
But every time we watch it, it just gets more dirty and dirtier.
Oh my god. Like, yeah. I'm not soaked.
Somewhat. Okay, well, that's all the parts that we got, so, yeah. I guess until my next video, whenever. Yeah, so,
Peace out, YouTube.
bye.